Hello, everyone. This is Candace Braddock here, and in today's training, I'm going to show you how to use a free um, landing page template program called Instapage. Okay, so I found out about Instapage not too long ago, and there are a few landing page companies out there, but this was one of the first ones that I found that was free. So, as you can see, this is like my back office. So I'm just going to go here to create a new page, and we're going to hit drag and drop because this is going to be the easiest to set up. Okay. So if you are familiar with like creating in lead pages or things like that, you do have other options, but drag and drop is the easiest. And So you may be asking, okay, why would I need a lead page or an opt-in form, or what do I even need this for? So if you're online and you have a product or service or some sort of post and you're trying to get people to opt into your list, um, you want to make sure that you have a system in place that's going to allow you to do that. And by system, I mean you're going to want to be able to collect their emails and have those emails that either go into some sort of database or go into your autoresponder. Okay. And I'll have another video on exactly what an autoresponder is. And these days, people are all about visuals. So while you could just have, generate a simple form straight from your autoresponder company, whether you have Aweber, MailChimp, Constant Contact, having a lead page or having a opt-in form that is specifically designed to get people to opt in and it looks attractive helps. So it helps your opt-in rate. Okay. So as you can see, there's all different templates, which I love. I'm a huge fan of templates. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to figure out like what type of form you want to create, right? Is it something to do with lead generation? Do you want people to just click through? Like, is it a sales page? Are you hosting a webinar? You can choose what type of opt-in page that you or landing page, I apologize. So landing page that you would like. And landing just simply means the page that people land on first when they click your link. Okay, so we're going to choose lead generation. And as you can see, there are all different kinds of templates. But for the purpose of this training, we're going to pick the simplest template, okay? And let's see. And this is one thing I love about Instapage. For it to be free, they have like a lot of great templates. So let's see what we have here. Okay. This one is pretty much the most simplest. Either this one or this one, but I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so sorry about that. There was a pause. So as you can see, if I click on something, basically, oh, let's look over here. So this means that it is responsive. So what does that mean? That means that um, no matter what type of device when people are viewing this, whether it's a desktop, a iPad, a phone, the way that the landing page look is going to change so that it fits the particular screen of the device that it's viewed on, which I love. So we're going to hit edit this page, okay? Let's name this page Our First Landing Page. And so you're going to want to name the page. Matter of fact, that's like a bad name. Let me erase that. So I'll put campaign 2 is the name of this page. Okay. And depending on what you're using this for, you're going to want to make sure that the name reflects what you're going to be using it for, so that it's easier to figure out the congruency and what, you know, where this is actually for, or what landing page this is for. So as you can see, everything is kind of gridded off. So we can actually just delete that part. Okay, you see how easy that is? And let's edit this. So we're going to say, free training on how to use landing pages. And let's call it on how to use Instapages to increase sales. Okay. And we're just gonna this is one thing that I love. See, you can just click on this and whatever you need to do, it does it, right? Like, how awesome is that? So we're going to highlight this and change the color. Let's change it to white. Okay. And we're going to say subscribe. We're going to say subscribe to get instant access. Sorry, guys. And depending on what type of information you want to capture, you can choose just the email address field, or you can add a field. Maybe you want to add a name. So let's add something just so you can see how to do it. So where are we going to go? Not a section, button. Maybe form. Okay. So now let's erase this. So we're going to click on that, and then, oh no, that's not right. Let's delete that. Sorry, guys. Okay, click on this. Then maybe we can duplicate that. No. All right. The great thing about this, again, as you can see, you can just go back. If you make a mistake, you can hit undo. But I'm trying to duplicate this, but that's not what I want to do. So let's delete. And I wonder why it's not letting me. Oops. All right. Made a mistake. Go back. Let's add. I don't really want that. So maybe because of this template, it's not going to allow me to do too many like customizations, but that's okay. So as you can see, if if you do want a form that has more fields, it's probably better to select a template that allows you to do that. So I want to change the wording in this. So let's change that. Oh, I think I can do it here. So look, let's see if we can add a field. Yes, add text. And then we're going to say first name. See what happens when you do trial and error. Boom. Okay. And then actually, I want to rearrange this. So what I can do, oh no, that lets me move it. But what I can do is take this. We're just going to save it. And then let's delete that, the bottom there. Okay, and actually let's delete this. We don't need that. We're going to change this. You can change the date. You definitely should change the date to make it reflect today's year. And then if I were you, I would put either your name or the name of your company down here. Online marketing with Candace. Okay, and let's get rid of this. And boom. So here's your opt-in form. Now you're going to want to go into settings, right? And no, this is good. We're not going to get into this. It's a little high level. So you're going to want to hit publish. And this is talking about A/B split testing. So A/B split testing means that you can actually create a duplicate page with different variations to see which page performs the best when people are looking to opt in. Okay. And then you also can edit the SEO, which is very important. But again, this is just showing you how easy it is to set up a landing page. So we're going to hit continue anyway. And yeah, so I hope it lets me. Oh, okay. So it's saying I have to pay in order to build more pages, but that's only because I've built more prior to this training. So let me see here. Let's save this. All right, so the page is saved, right? So real quick, I'm going to go into my back office. And I am going to delete this one. I'm going to delete this one. Yes. And I'm going to delete this one. All right, so I'm going to click back on the one that I did with you guys. All right, so that's that one. Here, let's go to edit. Sorry, it's taking a little while to load. Okay, boom, it's loaded. So now I'm going to be able to hit publish. Okay, continue anyway. That's interesting. Well, anyway, you will hit publish. And then once you hit publish, what's going to happen is you're going to get a link and there's going to be a green a green light letting you know that it is live. So I'm going to show you on one of the ones that I actually do have that is live. So we're going to click on this one. And so this one is live, right? And you see there's the name of it. And then here I'm gonna exit or mute that. And so that's what this looks like. And again, like I said, it's live. And what you can do is you can download how this looks. You can look at your stats and you can see the conversion rates, how many visitors, things like that. And that's it. Your landing page is done. And what you're going to want to do is you will be able to this is where all your leads get dumped. So as you can see, this is my name because I was testing it. And you can alter where you want your email notifications to go. Or you can integrate it into your autoresponder. Okay, so that's the end of this training. It's kind of long. I apologize for that, and I apologize for the little hiccups, but that's just showing you exactly how to create your first landing page using the free Instapage account. Okay, so this is Candace with Online Marketing with Candace. Feel free to look below to connect with me, and I will see you in the next training. Bye-bye.